Looking for an honest MagicLight AI review before you subscribe? Most AI video generators can only create short clips, but MagicLight AI claims it can generate complete videos up to 50 minutes long, with consistent characters, AI voiceovers, and cinematic scenes. So is it really worth using? In this MagicLight AI review, I'll show you everything you need to know. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the MagicLight AI website and click Start Free. Sign up with your Google account or email, then log in to access the dashboard. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to start your first project. For this demo, click Story to Video or Text to Video. Simply paste your script or enter a prompt. Choose a video style, voice, aspect ratio, and AI model. MagicLight AI automatically creates scenes, voiceovers, subtitles, transitions, and consistent characters, so you don't need advanced editing skills. It also supports image to video, AI avatars, voice cloning, lip sync, and AI subtitle generation, all within one workflow. One feature I really like in this MagicLight AI review is its ability to create long-form videos instead of just 10 to 20-second clips. Whether you're making YouTube stories, educational content, kids videos, explainers, or animated content, the AI keeps characters and scenes consistent throughout the video. Now let's talk about pricing. MagicLight AI offers a free plan with limited credits, allowing you to test the platform before upgrading. Paid plans provide more credits, longer video generation, 1080p exports, no watermark, commercial usage, rights, premium AI models, and additional features like voice cloning. Choose the subscription that matches your content creation needs. Of course, it's not perfect. Rendering long videos can take more time than creating short clips, and advanced features consume more credits. If you're only creating quick social media videos, a simpler AI tool may be enough. After testing it for this MagicLight AI review, I think it's one of the most powerful AI video generators for creators who want to produce high-quality, long-form videos with minimal editing. The workflow is smooth, the output quality is impressive, and the all-in-one feature set makes it a great choice for YouTubers and educators. If this MagicLight AI review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI reviews and tutorials, and let me know which AI tool I should review next. Personal opinion, based on my testing and research. These ratings reflect my personal opinion, and your experience